Hi, I'm Catherine Knapp, and I'm a certified nutraMetrix consultant, and I'm here with my chiropractor, Dr. Amy Shumway, in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, to talk with you about one of our favorite nutraMetrix products, the Daily Essentials packets.
Thanks, Catherine. Yes, we're going to talk about the packets today. My parents, who are in their early 70s, love these packets. And not only does it have their multivitamin, and then it has a methylated B complex, where methylated just means that it's in a form that your body can absorb. A lot of B complexes have not had this done to them, and so you just go out with urination. You don't absorb them. And then it also has calcium, which your body, both men and women, need. But the big one that I want to talk about is the OPC3, and they get that in this also. OPC3 is one of the number one antioxidants in the world, and it helps with overall body inflammation. So you can decrease your body inflammation by up to 50% in around 60 days. So like I said, my parents are in their 70s, and mom and dad still run on the beach almost every day. And my dad has bone-on-bone knees. He has no cartilage left, and he should be, by looking at his x-rays, be in severe pain. And he has absolutely no pain whatsoever. So, and he's not on any other medications at all, over the counter, no Advil, nothing like that. And he takes this every day, and he doesn't go without it. He travels to multiple countries, and he loves these because it's just one little packet. He can pour it in his 8 ounces of water. He gets everything he needs in one shot, and it's super easy. And my mom saw how much fun he was having taking it and how much better he was feeling. She goes, I want that too. So now mom takes it also. So
It's so convenient, and I love it. I've been taking it myself for probably 20 years at this point, and I can't say enough about it. The OPC also has natural antihistamine properties, so my husband and I were both able to get off all of our allergy medicines. So it's been a very great product for us. Thank you.